If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to separate and remove base cover. Now unscrew and remove brackets. Then disconnect and remove battery. Now unscrew and remove solid-state drive. Next, unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Now unscrew and remove heatsink. Now unscrew bracket, then disconnect and remove wireless card. Then unscrew and remove DC jack. Then unscrew bracket and disconnect display cable. Now disconnect motherboard cables. Then unscrew and remove motherboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.